He's Puerto Rican, but you're half Filipino, right?
Yes,
He's also half Filipino. He's one of the kindest souls that I've ever met in the industry, and probably the best writer that I've ever worked with.
just music.
Can we turn that music down? Is that music? Yeah. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, like I kind of went on a 5-year hiatus, like recording music, writing music, and stuff like that. So it's because there comes a point in your career when you parang nag-release ako ng music, tapos wala nangyayari. So syempre, nadi-discourage ako. So one time I got in the studio with this man right here, and mind you guys, this guy right here, I performed for you guys, he's the 16-time Grammy Award winner. Grammy Award winner. So, for us singers in the Philippines, that's something that we can only dream of. So it's such an honor for me to share the stage with this man right here. And honestly, sana mahalin niyo din siya.
Yes!
Mahal kita!
Mahal din kita!
Alright, so the song about this next song that we're gonna sing. This is the first time we're gonna sing this song. I have a new song. We have a new song.
New song. Stream it now! Make sure you stream it! Support Chris Lawrence. He's one of the best artists of the Philippines, the greatest of the Philippines. He's truly the prince. He's a king in my eyes. So I am so excited to do this song with him. It's called Unlove You.
So this song, we got in the studio, and I remember I was sitting next to Choco. Choco was our engineer. Little Eddie, this guy, he was sitting on the couch, and then you could hear him. We picked out the beat, we picked out the instruments that we're gonna go through, and then I wanted to do a song with him because he's just a genius. He's a genius, right? So I'm sitting by the booth. This guy is just, you hear him going off in the back. You hear him doing that, I'm like, okay, maybe, siguro iba-iba yung mga tao na pag that's his way. So, but what he's doing, ginagawa na niya yung kanta. He's like picking apart the melodies and like 20 minutes later, he's like, alright, I'm gonna get in the booth. So he goes in the booth and starts singing this. That sounds good. And I was like, what do you, I was like, what are you thinking? And he's like, I don't know, I was looking at you, and
I was looking at Chris when he didn't know. And I was thinking, there's something about Chris is here, but there's something about his heart is a little bit somewhere else. So,
Where is the heart?
his heart was somewhere else. And I started to
last July, August.
yeah.
So this was created last year. This song was created last year. It's just been in the archives. And it was actually supposed to come out in March or April, but you know, the way the universe works, the way God has his divine timing, it always happens when it's supposed to happen.
Yes.
And we all believe that the timing is right now, because the song Unlove You, and remember, he wrote this in July, August, last year, September. The song Unlove You is about the ex, the one,
That you can never get rid of.
that you can never unlove. Who do you think it is?
Miss me!
So, Miss B, this one is for you. So curse, you a blessing, you a curse, you a thing, you a thing, you that good for a reason. Cause maybe we'll be back someday. I really could see you if I hear you say, maybe not today. And I still think I'm a person. Taking a little hard to find someone new. I can never love you. You always become one together. You want what can I say? I can never love you. Ladies and gentlemen, Little Eddie! To share the stage with that, man. I hope you guys can stream that new song. It's called Unlove You, and it's about the one that got away, the one that you can never unlove. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And at this point, I think we're going to thank our sponsors. Yes? We got the sponsor list? Thank you. You forgot some? That's water. Okay. All right. So I would like to thank the sponsors for making this show possible. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan ba natin Coco Production. Yeah. I want to say thank you to Living Story Entertainment, Pinoy's Place, Filipino Vibe Events. BFF LA Production, 10-inch production.
10-inch.
Generation non-profit band. Adriano, thank you so much. Crown Beauty Spa, maraming salamat. And EMS Restaurant. E palakpakan niyo ang sarili niyo. Thank you. Such a beautiful crowd tonight. So at the end of the show, I'll be meeting you guys. We do have some merch. We did bring some Katie's Bomb for those of you that would like to support the cause. And just thank you guys. Thank you for loving my daughter Katie. It means the world to us.
Yes!
Thank you guys so much for all the support.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So this next song that I'm gonna sing, I would like someone wants to say hi to you guys. Are you guys ready? This one is for you. And if you know the lyrics, Katie, nandiyan ka ba?
Hello, Katie loves. Nobody. We love you, Katie. Katie.
When the sun goes down and the days over, I got the brightest of stars next to me. Light my world, my superpower. You take me like the air to breathe. You touch me when the stars are fall. You believe in me without much. Yeah, my dreaming makes me in my dream. You. that was dedicated to Katie. That was dedicated to my daughter. And it's just a beautiful thing being a father. And I know some of you guys are very eager to see this letter. You guys
It's na! Woo!
basahin niyo ulit.
Yes, please!
Ano yan? Gusto niyo?
Yeah!
Okay, attorney, can I please have the letter?
Woo! Ito na, ito na.
So for those of you, napakagandang attorney natin, di ba guys?
Yes!
That's attorney Lisa. Asawa yan si Joe, yung road manager slash videographer dito. So, here we go. Alright.
Walang iiyak.
This is it.
Walang iiyak.
This is it. Mahal na tinumong Mr. B.
Wow! Nag-practice?
Kung saan ka lang tumatawa na
Nag-practice?
Okay. Isinulat ko ang iyak na ito upang ipaabot ang aking tamas-pusong paghingi ng pagmamahal
Wow!
sapagkat sa hindi sinasadyang pagkakataon ay malas ko sa
Malas ko sa iyo.
sa manla ang iyong iham na naglalaman ng mga salitang namumula sa kaibuturan.
Kaibuturan na
Sino kayo nagpapasa? Kaibuturan.
Kaya mo yan, Mr. B.
Iyong damdamin.
Wow!
Nais ko rin ipabatid sa iyo na nitong mga nagdaang araw. Bro, don't worry. I also don't understand this. I'm just going with it. Okay. He's all. Okay. Nais ko rin ipabatid sa iyo na nitong mga nagdaang araw na tayo'y muling nagkaroon ng pagkakataon magkausap at magkasama.
Wow! Yan na.
Na
Aha.
magdulot din sa akin na hindi
Wow!
mapagkakataon. Ang iyong kabutihan para sa akin at ang iyong walang sawang pag-aaruga.
Oh.
Pag-aaruga.
Yes!
Pag-aaruga. Para sa ating pinakamamahal na Katie ay lubos kong pinahahalagahan.
Wow!
Ang iyong mga salita ay
Yak!
dumako tayo sa pinakamahalagang bahagi ng iyong iham.
Yan na.
Iyong katanungan.
Yan na, yan na.
Pwede na po ba ako mantigaw?
Woo!
Matapos ang masusing pagnilay-nilay,
You did it!
mali ba?
Tama! Tama!
O sige, paano?
Pagnilay. Nilay. Nilay.
Ito ang sinabi ko, di ba?
Yeah, you're right!
Sige. Kamita. Matapos ang masusing pagnilay-nilay,
Yes! Wow! Wow! Wow, si Miss B.
paano lang? Dalawang araw. Habang pinakikinggan ang huri ng mga kuliglig.
Huni ng kuliglig.
Huli?
Huni!
Like charcoal?
No!
Ano?
Sound! The sound!
Basta yun. Basta yun. Ang aking kasagutan ay ang aking kasagutan ay oo. Ikaw ang aming pinahihintay, maluyog sa aking lubos na gumagana.
Respectfully yours.
Ha? Gumagana.
Are you sure? Hindi nagmamahal?
Gumagana.
Lubos na nagmamahal.
Sinabi ko, di ba? Lubos na gumagana.
Nagmamahal.
Binibigis ko. Thank you, attorney. You what?
Oh my gosh.
You guys want to hear? Do you want to hear it in English?
Yes!
So I got this Facebook page. I said it in English over there, so you can follow. You guys can follow my Facebook page for all the updates. You can always follow Katrina's Facebook page kasi parang masaya kami na kasama kayo sa love story namin. Love story. Oh my God. Nagdudulas ako dito.
Okay lang yan.
You know what? After reading the letter,
Guys.
I read the letter. Katabi ko lang yan ng angka. I just got that letter last night. So after reading the letter, the one song that came to my head is actually a song that I recorded, and I think this next song fits perfectly with the situation that's happening between me and Miss B. Kasi after all these years, after we got together in 2008, broke up in 2014, met our own girlfriends, siya pala yung hinahanap.
Sana all.
So if you guys know the lyrics to this song, I would love it if everybody sings along.
Wala.
Miss B,
Guys, magla-log out ako kasi lobat na lipat kayo kay ano. Share. Nanonood ba sikat? Hindi ko alam. Kasi nakahingin siya dito eh. Thank you.
thank you guys. Maraming salamat. And if I could just ask for your help, malapit po tayo sa 50 million views on YouTube.
Yes!
And, you guys can just stream it. Just kahit isang beses lang. Every little bit helps. If I hit 50 million by November, makakatanggap, I will get another Wish Award, the Gold Award for 50 million views. So, sana
Very soon!
we'll see you guys at the Wish Awards. Itong susunod na kanta, this is such a very, very special song to my heart. Feeling ko, actually, I know that this is a song that catapulted me to my destiny in the Philippines. It was written by Vince Turner the Great. Kahit nakikinig lang kayo sa music ko, you guys are already supporting me without knowing. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. Sana support ko lang lahat ng mga opening songs na
Eh,
lahat.
hindi mo pa in-invite si Miss B?
Mabuhay ang opian. And if you guys know the lyrics to this, I would love it if you all sing along.
Ha?
I love you, San Francisco. Give yourselves a round of applause. Para sa inyo kong lahat, this one.
Never mind daw tapos next song.
Alright, San Francisco, since we are at a concert right now, okay lang po ba mag-request ng concert things? If you have a line tonight, Let's play with the Sammy, Andrew, Bob, here is Sky, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Thank you for the loud. Over here, I take Sam over here. Look at me now. Here we go. Hey. We sing low. And then we go to the word. Thank you guys so much. I will post that, so find your face in the post. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready to have a good time tonight?
Yes!
Nandito ba tayo?
Yes!
So at this part of the show, I like to come down, I like to dance with everybody. So if you know the lyrics to this one is for you.
Kota na! Kota na!
Everybody!
Go, Mister! Mister!
All right, here we go. Everybody in a 1, 2, 3, to let me hear you say ho. Say ho. Let me hear you say woo. Say I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Last love song and I promise. And don't forget, Mr. B loves you for just the way you are. Everybody here. Here we go, y'all. Her eyes, it's constantly naturally. Her hair goes perfectly without her dream. She's so beautiful. And I'm telling every day. I know. If I put the hands it won't bite me. And so it's so I think that she don't see what I see. Like so she has me. I say, everybody say, when I see her.
Kaya nga, unmute ko na. Hindi ko nakita. Sorry guys! Sa sobrang excited. Sorry. Na-unmute po. Bumaba diretso.
Nabitin ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba ng isa pa?
Yes!
Kung kakanta mo ng isa pa, sasayaw pa kayo?
Yes!
Kung kakanta ako ng isa pa, that means if I sing one more song. Kung kakanta ako ng isa pa, pupunta ba kayo dito sa harap? And are we gonna party tonight?
Go, 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 go.
Come on, everybody. To come. Turn the lights off in this place, and she shines just like a star. And I swear I know her face, I just don't know who you are. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Let's go! This one's for the blue girls that do silent, wild, living it up in the city. Got your soul. Hallelujah. Girls hit your hallelujah.
Ang galing mo to?
Give it to you.
Go, Tex!
This is the punch up. 2, 3, just one. Here we go, guys! Come on! 1, 2, 3, Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mula sa puso ni Mr. B. My name is Chris Lawrence, and I hope you guys enjoyed the night. Don't forget, after the show, don't forget guys, after the show, may photo op. May pinaka ako ng mga KB's Prom, KB's Alone, and all of KB's products. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. My name is Chris Lawrence. Good night, everybody! Don't believe it's just fine. Hey! Don't believe it's just fine. Hey! Don't believe it's just fine. 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 Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Nag-enjoy pa kayo?
Yes!
Sobrang nag-enjoy na sa inyo.
We want you, Mr. B!
We
We want you, Mr. B!
So after the show, I would love to meet each and every one of you guys. We do have some merch. Lahat may Katie's Brothers. And we brought it from the Philippines. Thank you, Alay. Thank you, Ate Tess.
Welcome
And
po.
I
You're
will sign
welcome!
each
You're
and every
welcome, Mr.
one
B!
we have. We have a limited number, so get them while supplies last.
Any shows you want to plug?
Well, lahat malayo, but we have one in Sacramento.
Guys, that's 3 hours.
We have one in Sacramento.
All right, I'll see you guys there.
Take pictures and make wonderful memories. Ako po si Chris Lawrence, also known as Mr. B.
Can we have the rest of the performers on stage with you for the final bows? So I want to give a big shout out to Ate Juana for actually inviting me for tonight with Filipino
Yeah,
live
Becky.
events. Thank you, thank you. Thank again.